it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Alright, so who wants to go pick some strawberries?
Me!
Yeah, today we're going out to the strawberry farms. We're in Perth. There's a couple of strawberry farms to the north of Perth. I think there's some to the south as well. We usually go to the ones up near Wanneroo, Nangara sort of area. So they're about half an hour, 40 minutes from the city centre. There's a lot out there, a lot to choose from. I've just jumped on Google and put it in there and picked one out that had some good reviews. Check out their webpage. Usually it's just a Facebook page, but check it out, see if they're open, because sometimes they'll be shut depending on what weekend and what stock they've got. So it's definitely worth checking before you head out there. They'll usually put a post on their Facebook to say whether they're open or not. And really good value, you know, you get a big box. I think it's about 3 kilos, $10 for the box, and some places charge per person to go pick. I think it's usually about $2 per person, but you can eat as much as you want while you're there. So it's a good morning out, good value, getting the strawberries, and we just bring them home and we put some in the fridge, and all the rest we cut up and put in Ziploc bags and chuck them in the freezer for smoothies and things like that.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. The kids love it. Beautiful day out in the sunshine, and go home for a sleep and strawberry pie.
Sorbet.
Yeah.
Alright, see you out there.
Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be.
Good strawberry?
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
Alright Brian, so what do we do?
So you pick ones without a green or with white.
Okay, can you find one?
Pick ones like this, but it has white. Which means no more pick up one. And this one was red, which means we want to pick this one
And then what do we do?
pull this green thing off and then put it in our tap like this. Then we put it in.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight.
I've done my research before I came here, and there's a bit of a trick to picking strawberries. When you grab them, you got to turn them on their side and then pull towards you rather than just pulling straight towards you. So I'll give you a look at what I mean. So you find your strawberry, turn it side on, and then you pull, and you get that nice strawberry look. Another one, sideways, pull. Otherwise you'll find that you'll be tugging it and you'll get the whole runner. So rather than getting, you know, all these sort of runners on your strawberries, you'll just get the strawberry itself. So let's find another one. There we go. So there you go, handy little tip.
You know I'm here to stay every single.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh,
Good.
such a beautiful day out. We picked a whole box of strawberries. This is box number 2. And beautiful sunny day. Kids are happy and picking plenty of red strawberries. Didn't have to walk far from the car. And baby's asleep in the car.
No.
Jacket.
Yeah, you can't.
And it's not very hard, is it, boys?
No.
Yeah, we just walked down. The first one we came to had plenty of red strawberries.
Yep,
Not
and
far
then.
from the road.
Just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling.
Alright, so all done. Who enjoyed that?
Me.
Hey? What did you like about it, Brian?
I like them because we get to pick a red strawberries and we sometimes get to eat them.
Yep. Yeah, it was pretty good. Probably took us a bit longer than it should have because a whole box got dropped on the floor. But yeah, no, it was good. Nice day out. Delicious strawberries. We're going to take them back, clean them up, and Brian wants a smoothie this afternoon, and we might show you a few little things that we do with them back at home. Alright, so these are all the strawberries we've got. These ones have all been cut up, put in bags for the freezer. A couple in here for the fridge. So fresh strawberries, and we gave a heap to family as well. Probably about the same number as what's in these two containers. But we'll show you some recipes with these ones later on. Making strawberry pancakes. It's a recipe that we make. Just whack all the ingredients in the Thermomix with some strawberries. A lot of butter in the pan, chuck the mix in and then make your pancakes. Something else that I like to do is just chuck a few freshly cut strawberries on top. And then when you flip it, it's some nice cooked strawberries in your pancakes. Yeah.
It's just us two.